luluto tayo. So we're gonna cook this. And wait lang guys. Tayo nyo ako. Excuse me. Ito. Igagalon ko itlog dito, ma. Isalagay ko itlog. Tapos gagalon ko sa dun sa may ano. Sukak na natin ito, guys. Lang. Okay, pag may ganyan na, gusto niya na. Okay, yan. Tapos, igaganto-ganto natin. Halo-haluin natin, guys. Yan, hanggang sa maging yellow. And now for hotdog. So, don't do this at home. Only adults.
It was in her eyes. She oh.
Only adults lang. Lah, nag-aano.
A young companion showing compassion.
May magic sarap.
Slow.
Kailangan pa ba ito ng ano, asin, me? Tapos, naman. So, medyo malamig pa.
Unfortunate that the human can only use his
Wait lang
feet
kasi.
for walking. Imagine if you were falling from a tree. You only have two appendages.
Meron tayo, ano, magic sarap.
Wala na nga, kung po, makasaya na lang.
Four times the signal. I imagine that if I came across
Ay, may cheese pala to.
what is that?
Ano mga yung kulay blue doon sa taas? Na basket. May labahan mo, tanggalin mo yung ano. Tanggalin mo yung hangin, pero yung labahan mo tanggalin na.
Yung, ano,
Kung mo yung ano, basket na blue na bilog. May laman yun na hangin, tanggalin mo. Pero yung laman na damit, mo tatanggalin.
yan.
Quite striking.
Ayun na. Hatik na. So, lagay na natin ito sa itlog. Saan?
Yung ano, basket. Basket na blue.
Lang guys, may corner na ako. Yes. Ito na ako guys.
Will you not say goodbye?
Lalagyan ko na to ngayon. Ano,
Yung ano,
asin.
oo, konti lang.
Her behind.
Alright.
Raise them up. Follow
Asan dito, no?
Jesus' word.
Ayun!
Ay, wala.
Remember who he was.
Okay. Next it. Uy, tumilaw.
It is important.
Okay, alright. Let's start this up. Ano ba?
How?
Before. Guys, post ko to sa YouTube eh. Ito na guys. There you go.
They are not
So,
like to blind them.
okay, hintayin natin. Pag nag-gitay tayo, i-mix na natin ulit to.
We have our come.
So, ito guys yung ano niya. Ayan o. Panom. So, about a minute, hintay tayo. Alright, it's good. Shop. Okay, minute to, minute. Asan natin? Scrambled eggs to.